Many months of work, I'm delighted to share the final conceptual framework. You can see here the landing page, which has been beautifully pictured by our design team. If you click to enter, you can then explore the framework in more detail. The first homepage here is the 4 levels. So that's individual, family, community, and structural. You can see it depicted visually as well, where we have the individual embedded within family, community, and broader structural factors. Within each level, there are a number of different groups and determinants. So, for example, we have the socio-demographic group, which includes income, housing, education, and employment. We also have life experiences and opportunities, trauma and adversity, physical and psychological health, personal traits, and identity. Within each of these groups, you can go to the individual determinants. So, for example, if we were to go to migration, you'll see what is included on each of the determinant cards. So we have a brief definition of each determinant and an indication of whether it's a risk or protective factor, or sometimes both. We will have links to key interventions and literature, as well as links to helpful resources. Over here, we have wonderful lived experience perspectives. These include videos or blog posts of people who've experienced this particular factor and talk about how it's impacted their mental health. One of the really important things that we wanted to capture to some degree in this framework is how interconnected and interdependent the various determinants are. Migration is not the sole thing that would be impacting someone's mental health. There are a number of other factors, including social or cultural norms, displacement, life transitions, ethnicity and culture, or experiences of trauma. So we wanted to include these shortcuts so that you can quickly go to other topics that are related to the determinant that you're exploring. So if I were to go to one of these determinants, we have hopped all the way to the structural level and thinking structurally about discrimination and stigma. And again, it has all of the same aspects on this determinant card, including the definition, key links, lived experience perspectives, and connected determinants. If you were to scroll down on any of the determinants, you can see some additional information, which includes some literature around the link from that particular determinant to mental health outcomes, as well as some key references. If at any point during an exploration you want to go back, you can go up to the group level or you can go all the way back home to continue your exploration. If there's something very specific that you're looking for and you want to just really quickly jump to that and you're not sure which level it would be organized under, we do have an alphabetized index so you can quickly see where different factors may fall and so that you can quickly navigate to that place in the framework.